Hi, hello guys! Welcome kayo sa Batis Device. Enjoy and relax. Stay safe. This is a nature place. Mahalin ang kalikasan. I'm the owner of Batis Device, former Vice Mayor of Plaridel, Bulacan. Unti-unti kong dinidevelop kasi nakita ko yung potential ng Tinggalan. So, we recommend C1 Travel and Tours to come here and visit our place. C1 Travels and Tours, may mga purpose sila. Nag-ano sila ng gift giving sa mga children and then sa mga indigent families na pinupuntahan nila. Tara na kayo dito, halina at magtampisaw, maligo sa Batis Device from the Sierra Madre Mountain, the majestic Sierra Madre, the longest mountain, na yan ang nagpo-protect sa amin. Guys, I hope na you will not regret staying in my Batis Device. Thank you very much. And you are most welcome to our place.